Hello everyone. Today I will be teaching you about how to use Mendeley as a reference manager software, right? At first you have to download this Mendeley desktop. It appears in the third option. You can see your Mendeley desktop, right? You have to install in your PC or in your laptop, right? After it has been downloaded, it appears as a, like you can see, this kind of platform will come, right? This is a Mendeley desktop. It Here you can see various options, like recently added. What are the recently added articles? As I had already downloaded and use it, right? There are many articles here, and you can see various options like recently read or recently added, right? Now let's create a folder. For example, uh, you have to for example, you create a new folder here. um, for example, let's create a new folder, right? It's like hypertension. Okay, you are going to do your research study on hypertension, and you can create a folder on hypertension or anyone, right? So uh, your folder has been created. Now you have to add the articles that you have read uh, in this folder, right? For example, let's see, right? Okay. For example, you had search about the cross-sectional study on hypertension, and let's see this article, right? You can see here there are various IDs present in this article, like PMCID ID, PMID ID, or DUI ID, right? Mm, in this article, you have these IDs, right, on of this article. Now you can just simply copy this ID, DUI ID, just simply copy, and you can paste it on your that Mendeley, right? Okay. Okay, here you can see this click on this add button, right? And you can click on this slide and add entry manually. Now on scrolling down, you can see here DUI ID button, right? Okay, and just paste here and click on the search button, and your articles will be appearing here, and you can click on the save button, right? Now you have to create your library on Mendeley, right, on the hypertension. So the now next option is you can go on the tools, right? And here is MS Code plugin. Okay, you have to click on this install. As I had already installed it on my MS Word, the option is shown as a uninstall, right? So you have to click on the install MS Word plugin. Now it appears on your MS Word as a, okay, you can see here, this is a home, and on the references you can see your open Mendeley. It appears like this. Now for example, I had copy a statement from that article. For example, in Nepal, all right, 40%, uh, 40%, uh, 40% people are hypertensive. Okay, 40% people are hypertensive, and this is the statement from that article, right? And you have to add your, you have to cite it and also add the bibliography, right? So you can just click here, add citation, and make a search on that. Just here type the title of your article that you have, make it, right? So um, just hypertension, it will appear here like this. Okay, and just make add a citation. Okay, it appears like this. You now you have successfully cited your article, right? Now next option is here. Our next uh, action is to do or to add our bibliography, right? So here you can see the bibliography, and you can just simply click on the insert bibliography, and it will automatically comes like this, right? So guys, we have successfully added the citation, as well as as we have successfully cited our article, as well as added the bibliography on the same article, right? This is how you can use Mendeley as a reference manager software. Thank you. Thanks for watching.